How to turn off professional mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Instagram application on a device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of create tools and controls. Select on that. Scroll down again and here you can see the option of switch account type. So tap on it and you can now switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account, and as you do that, now you can just go back to your profile over here, refresh the page. So just refresh the page and you'll be able to see that you have turned off the professional mode and you'll not be able to see the professional dashboard. So you can just go and check on it again. So let's check on it again. I think it's already done. So refresh the page. We'll be able to see that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.